this is how you can put a live photo on the lock screen of your iPad. So if you're new here on this channel, most definitely subscribe so you never miss anything important. So of course, you at first check out the Photos app. You can check out like the left panel where you can browse the different types or the like the media types. You can go to the live photos, and if you have any available, you can tap on those, and you will be able to click on more options within in here, and you will then have the ability to set it as a wallpaper, right? So you can go from this option, right? Obviously, you go to like the share and then create it or turn it, use it as a wallpaper. So that's kind of how it moves you over into this like wallpaper setup mode, right? And the important thing in here in the bottom right, you have some buttons to control the images, and one of them is to like create this spatial view. You might be interested in that, but there is also the live photo, which you have to like make sure it's enabled, because by default it might be strike through, but you want to make sure that it is like played. It heavily depends on the live photo. Like if there isn't a lot of movement, you might not even notice it, but it is possible that you'll see the slide animation in there, and this is what's always going to be visible whenever you get inside of your iPad, right, on the lock screen. So that's how you can preserve the motion in the live photos, right? So that is how you can do it. As I said, the important part is to pick a picture which has enough going on, enough action, so something can actually be shown as part of the live photo animation. So that is how you could set it up. Let me know if you managed to do it. If it worked, hit the thumbs up and subscribe for more, and I'll see you later. So thanks a lot, and I'll talk to you soon.